Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open TikTok and pick the account and idea you'll use, make it short and focused. Next, write a tight script with short sentences so the TTS speaks clearly. This helps rhythm and comprehension. Record your video footage or use a static image, making sure framing matches TikTok's 9:16 vertical ratio. Once done, trim the clip to the target length and save it. Make sure you have captions ready and note where you want TTS emphasis. You upload the clip and enter the text tool, paste your script, and divide it into timed segments so words appear in sync with visual beats. Then select TikTok's text-to-speech voice and preview while adjusting speed and pitch for naturalness. Once the voice sounds right, use the timing editor to align each text block with the corresponding visual moment. This reduces mismatches and improves engagement. If you plan music, lower its volume now so TTS remains intelligible. You review the finished video in full, listen for clipped words, and watch the on-screen timing. If something sounds off, edit the text into shorter chunks and reassign timings. Shorter phrases reduce stuttering. Also export a draft to your device and test on headphones and speakers. Once satisfied, add captions and relevant stickers for clarity and better retention, then post. If the TTS still stutters, make sure app is updated and try switching voices or reducing background audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.